Hello all. LOL.
Muss schreiben, seriously, conversations please. God mode. I'm just here for that stuff right now. For free. Come on. Oh, shut up! God mode. Hired Funkin Junior, God mode. Shrek Live, good. So that might break some. Oh no, let me know the microphone is on. I'm sorry, I'm off.
Spotify Live Jam here, by the way, URL.
only in here by chatting. Yeah. These Bavarian German, right? Why be texting? I just want to drift. No, this is worse. Like actually you're playing MMO games or something. It's like actually you want to have sex with your girlfriend. What will happen? You have a conversation with her. So it'll actually be an allows you open window up at 0 degrees, actually sitting down actually in the bedroom and just talking to your girlfriend naked and nude. What the fuck? A brain stopper or something? Are we starting up to get a conversation like we are getting old or something? Don't worry, I'm standing in front of the toilet. I don't see actually what the people are actually talking right now. Writing down. Wasn't it nice in Asphalt Legends Unite actually I didn't talk? I loved it.
Hi bro.
Getting high I played, Long I played today, the Elder Scrolls I played today, How to Survive 2 I played, Asphalt Legends Unite, it's getting dark, I'm playing right now CarX Drift Racing Online. So yesterday there was a patch and update, oh, god damn it. What's that? Jesus Christ.
Sup? I'm the guy from the CarX, just 2201.
No joke. No, seriously, man.
Okay,
I have
hey.
5 accounts. One account just gone. That's DefRekka. On DjVolgin account, DefRekka, DefNation CP account, there was actually a BMW that takes actually on 10 minutes or 12 minutes on these West Coast arena. It took actually a 1 to 1.2 million if you get it on 20 seconds. I can't remember. I have all the BMWs. And I don't. And I even switched actually the blueprints to myself here on DefNation4Real account on the PlayStation 4. There's no 10 minutes or 12 minutes anymore left. Oh, I think that fixed the problem, right? I have actually this car, and somebody told me about that, you know, Subaru.
I was with the Lumberjack for an afternoon and made 100 million.
So I just was saying to him, I got a BMW that makes actually 1 million actually, or 1.2 million if you're really on under 20 seconds. He didn't believe me that. I even have a video on YouTube on my channel in here, right? I can't find that video anymore. Seriously, I tried for 1 month ago, I tried it to find, and I was making actually not even one video, even 2 live streams about that car. I will find it, definitely. I think that fixed the problem. Oh, control on my leg. Oh my gosh. That's a 1 million then. 120 tries you did? Come on, dude. You don't need so much money. On DjVolgin account I have actually 1 or 2 billion on money. It makes no sense. You need level 30 for platinizing on PlayStation 4 actually in this game.
I'm going to subscribe and watch the video, then I'll let you know what I think. Thanks.
Thank you very much, man. Please respect. This is actually my 5th account. I started this account actually up for kinda, I have to say, 4 months ago. But I was playing actually, like you see it anyway, 1 day long only. Yeah. I'm an expert after 4 years, but it's, you know, I give a fuck. Right now on this DefNation4Real account on PlayStation 4, on PlayStation Network, it is like, I just want to play when I have fun. And now these stupid chat comes in. Actually not so bad, right? As you see, you already get subscriber actually on this CarX D.R.O chat. Nice, nice. Thank you very much. Came out right now from an Asphalt Legends Unite stream and live stream, and I was thinking like, don't talk, and it was very much fun. Hold back the peoples and stuff like that. Khalib on the drift. Khalib is busy actually in his farm on, you know, Great Britain. Come on, I just want to go back to the chat for sure. Just was saying, and then I'm going back actually for drifting a bit. Just heb keine Schraube, so wie het gaat per die next stream. What in a Japanese language talking? Okay, go to actually this English part for the sake. Oh, that was gone. Bruh. Sternhagel dich, du sag ich. Alright. Worth the swap in my opinion? Dude, you never tried to make your own setup, right, for a car? For sake, man. Alright. What else? Let's have some fun. This is a new car started up with, so let's keep it moving and let's try actually to win something.
Thanks, Jazz.
I'm not actually being done today, actually very much talking, because I'm being lousy today. I have to say, yesterday was actually a great day. For 2 days it was a great day actually by talking around. You know, the lights are shutting off somehow by myself. I should get actually a rest or something. Rest, sleep. For the next days it's on this crack. These German lousy days. Nobody I swore myself actually tomorrow in the morning time I go to the supermarket and get me some salad. It was the Kellerine Reaper actually for 5 days ago. I just put into my noodles, stuff like that with fish and stuff. That was not a fine ass. 2 days diarrhea. Oh yeah. Cost me $20, but a euro say, but it doesn't matter. 50% I just get it into the garbage can. The rest was in my tummy. God hell. These couple of million of scovilles are just a little bit high enough to myself. I'm still shaking. I feel like actually poisoned. Even I drink, and I'm a construction worker. I like to drink beer. I'm a Bavarian. Even my uncle produced beer and stuff like that stuff. Everything's good. First alcoholic. Not having a license drive. Not being having a girlfriend. And hey, being a construction worker. The family tree. The last more than, I don't know, 100 years or more. But, you know, just loving video games and being... Exactly. Why I'm not going outside actually making some walkie something. Forgetting this video game stuff like that. I don't know. I like to listen to music since 2008. Playing video games. Like Need for Speed Pro Street started off actually you started my English part and watching into these diaries there and I don't know, these library. Was it 2 years I think actually the English guy up the range just the library just gone as well. Drone himself or something, hang himself. I don't know what's going on there. The microphone's on. It is. Today is like a day like poem something actually. Chill about right for something else. Not even. But hey, I was in a very good effort actually the Asphalt Legend Unite. Without talking. And I hate these ASMR for sake. But I tried it for fun. And I came down to CarX just making fun in here and there, but I saw what the hell? A chat? Oh, come on, very hard. An MMO game or something? Money cash in, I think. The Inspector mode from Russia. Even they're not living anymore in Russia and producing this game forward with updates. Everything's cool. Notice Team Max. They're great. Amazing, actually. Like simply missing or something actually grown up with the team. Never gave up. Tjus afgepaaien is Robbie Zulus, we doen het koper die next beam and oh, wow. It's more than 80% of tequila or something with these 40%. Oh, gross. Yeah. These 4 days I try and actually get the empty glass. Oh, 1 liter actually. It was Smirnoff Ice and tequila. Now it's more than actually 80% of tequila only. Gunbottomus. Nice one. Cuddling, sir. The second run, I think, on the car, right? Oh my god, my aim. It's like I'm not stealing actually some setup from other drift racers or something. I did it done by myself. How comfortable do you play with a controller actually? How do you feel? That was cool. But yeah, sometimes I'm doing actually the review and stuff like that, replay, or better say these, what's it calling? Drift drones or something? Yeah, I do. But not in this account anymore. so much through with this all this stuff. Actually, I'm getting really lousy in here. But for 2 days, or was it yesterday actually in CarX and the online mode, I won actually everything. That was just for fun. The streak continues actually in the modern time as well in here. Oh well, I don't know.
I have a quick question. I
A
haven't
quick question,
played in
eh?
a long time and I see there's an Ultimate Pro mod. Is it better than the regular Ultimate mod?
Dude, I was on a break of 7 months as far as Legends Unite. I don't know what you're talking about these Ultimate Pro mod, man. I'm on PlayStation 4, maybe you don't get that. Ultimate is Ultimate and stuff and these is Ultimate and I don't know what you're talking, man. Just have a good setup on your cars and have fun. I play drift race. I'm drifting actually every car on Ultimate parts. And for race, actually, this racing. I'm not using some stuff like actually say, I got to drift with my vehicle. Oh, look at that. That do you mean? Oh, that's new, man. I was yesterday in the morning time on this game, and that was actually after I just was playing the Elder Scrolls. I saw on DjVolgin account on my PlayStation 4 Pro original account since the last 2 years, because RP DefRekka account, that there was an update about 1.48 or something. I was saying another update for Christmas. That's weird. Okay, you already have actually everything you've done in here. Now you say Ultimate Pro. What the fuck is this? I don't want to change to that. It's stupid. Why should I do that? Cost me a lot of money, credits, and nerves. It's just I don't know, man. They came out yesterday, right? I don't know, man. No, I really do not know. Not explained. Sorry, mate. There's nothing making better and after all, and I'm pissed or something. I quit the whole game then. After actually a 4 years experience. Kinda say actually 2,000 hours or something experience on 5 accounts, so I don't know.
I'll wait for someone to make a video of it.
No, I'm not. This is scam. I'm playing this game since 4 years now. On different actually PlayStation Network accounts, so no, I'm not using them. But it destroy the whole game or something then. And then actually they get back the upgrade or something and neutralize them, and you find your cars actually blank back. Don't forget about it. The Ultimate Pro is okay. Tonight's Donkey Kong. What was his name? TNDK. Tonight is a Donkey Kong. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Jeez, man. Exactly. Okay.
Sorry if I don't understand you very well. English isn't my first language and I only have a B1 level. In Bavarian. Unteached English myself. In worse too. In Spanish Jaja.
Okay. Sirable. And already they're making war and stuff like that. I like games. She's pretty trash for me. What the fuck? And here we go again. So this actually should be actually get shut off because it's annoying. And then I get already war like in real life. Oh gosh, and these stupid stuff came up in here as well. That destroys the whole CarX. I think they want to say, please play CarX 2 or something, Street or something. Get away with this game because you're too much into the servers. We want to shut up the server next year. I don't know what they want to say.
I have to go do some things. See you later.
Have fun, man.
Fab well.
It's my first thinking. Second was like actually with the newly actually Japanese girls actually laying down on the table and just not make you trying to laugh them. Make that day not laughing. You picked some sushi up, probably about it. It's getting night time, right? Oh god hell. How many just the FAP I just did today? Too much. I'm too calm. Dang. Alright, have fun, man. Thank you very much for the conversation. Pretty good riding them out. The Rikers was actually black. Remember that. I wish you can play right now the other 3 accounts to let you see what really my car slots or my car garage is for. In 4 years, I just actually paint the car, have experience and all this stuff. But I'm actually right now on DefNation4Real. I was restricted, right? No, I'll be good. I'll be fine. That was cool. Yeah, I'll repeat DefRekka and I'll repeat actually can block. Cheers up. Subscribe, man. That happened, I'd subscribe later on as well. I saw actually some update on Diablo 4. Thought, alright, let's make this reindeer actually some evil. I can remember this Diablo 4 and they make some update. They say, alright, I can do that. Something like that. Alright, need to get a toilet actually after actually kind of a 8 hours live stream because I played actually Wulong with cheats on Save Wizard offline and without cheats in the beginning, like yesterday as well, and How to Survive. Well, since 6 o'clock I'm awake, since 9 o'clock actually, 9 hours now. I mean, I feel totally fucked up. I try not to eat something today, but I'm bloated. I don't know why. Somebody just was eating actually yesterday for kind of a free family food. A lot, I mean, to eat after this Carolina Reaper incident for 5 days. I was very hungry. I was starving actually the third day. Yesterday I just was eating a little bit too much. I feel fine, but actually sleepy and feel like hell. I like to drink beer. I was actually into the morning time at 7 o'clock as a promise at 6 o'clock to play actually the Elder Scrolls online. I went too long checking out actually something, and then Tezo Del on us and just make these daily goals done, saying this is not my time for today. I really feel sleepy. And that was just 7 hours ago. So I was saying, let's go to the Asphalt Legends Unite and just check the daily goals as well. Getting some actually for the Legend Patch of these kind of, you know, presents or something. And now I'm in here. After good winning streak, about 32 racings. Good that game, CarX, D.R.O. Now I feel lost about this chat. Feels like actually somebody wanna shut down actually the game. I was calling me a noob, of course, but I'm not. I'm just a single. I have the power sometimes to say, do that one, that's very good for you, and blah blah blah, because I'm not a family guy. My family just, you know, throw me away into cold water, and just I was in the factory family. Was grow up actually with work already at 6 years old, and as a 38-year-old actually I feel like very lousy these days. Christmas, they say. What is this? Better dying alone. Makes more fun. Alright, whatever. What really we should play? I don't know, man. Now you have to chat or something. Better on drinking a little bit and going to sleep. Fuck, man. Console players suck as well. Oh. What's the point of actually shut off the game? It makes no sense anymore too. Actually having some conversation here anymore. Let's see tomorrow what happen here, and calm down that a bit. Just let them actually like hate working. Just doing the shit or something actually in the next 5 minutes. This is so sad. he ask about these release ultimate, whatever that is. Pro. They have more power maybe. Let's do the other one. That's not different yet. Maybe the only guy actually that. Oh, okay, you have some kilograms to get away. So as I was always actually using drift cars for ultimate parts, they have right now Ultimate Pro to say you can use it like drift cars. I mean like drift upgrades. If you, now what's it calling? The part to say you want to go drift, ultimate part, now you get ultimate. You know, I think there's a trick behind there actually to buy that off. So Ultimate Pro is actually a mix about drift and ultimate. They have the chance actually to lower down your weight. What the hell is that? So it's nonsense. You have a little bit power more and that's all. You may just bore off actually drift setup or ultimate part setup, and I use all the times ultimate for drifting since 4 years now. Now there's Ultimate Pro, like mixing up the drift and ultimate. Like PC has it maybe since 2 years or something. I don't want to work with them. This is bullshit. As it was in the beginning for 2 years ago, I was saying, what the hell is that? This menu in here. I hate very much this menu. As it was 2 years or 3 years on actually already into these old menu on the PlayStation 4, right? Now they brought actually something else out that calls Ultimate Pro, and I hate to do that, so not a fan of it. Forget about it. Alright, I think I go offline because I'm not in a good mood. So many changings and it takes a long time actually to understand, and maybe I quit that game as well then. Because until level 30 it cost you 6 years actually to get a platinum, so this game is actually for me actually roasted and just gone. I'm done with it. Not a beer worth anymore to drift. A lot of children out of here. They're scamming all around all the time. Why we can't go actually to the multiplayer race and stuff like that? Why don't I go like to the multiplayer race then? The room is open for everyone. And the other PC guys actually are cheating, definitely. They can do whatever they want, like Xbox as well. They're still crying out that the PlayStation is not the worth of the Switch. So they're incorrect. As a PlayStation player actually, I have to say, it's grumpy and hard actually to play this game instead of actually being a PlayStation non-member like PC and Xbox. You can do whatever you want. You have been under Microsoft, right? Instead of Sony. So you really just should actually not talking around actually PlayStation members like that. As always I say, I'm not using actually Wheel anymore since the PlayStation 3 because I broke them all the times and all this stuff. I'm not a PC gamer because it's retarded stupid and it's kind of okay, they have better engine, live streams, but all this stuff, but you know, since I grew up actually in my kind of 11 years I just use actually the PlayStation, Sony, and obviously was going actually for GameCube, Nintendo 64, what is it, Nintendo, and Microsoft, and you know, you had to decide somehow, and I just was staying actually in the Sony. I don't want to fight against them or something, but to have Microsoft's Xbox and these PC stuff, Really. You mooting all the times, you just cheating all the times. You have fun, you not actually you have immediately another account. But as a Sony member actually from Japan or something, if you make one mistake, your account is gone. You just find yourself actually backwards, actually like myself on DefRekka account. That was $74,000 actually just gone for 13 years. It just was hacked one time away because actually Sony was making a mistake. And you couldn't say actually that was my account and stuff like that, and you getting actually an answer like, we don't know you. So it's 10 times harder to actually be a PlayStation member as involved into these Nintendo or Xbox guys with these PC knowledgement. You bought off all the times, like Warner Brothers and from Disney or Paramount or something, you know, just give a fuck. It's a very lame situation since 2 years now myself, and I'm pissed as hell. It's like everybody can deal done actually everything with money. Thanks for no respect. Goodbye. I'm off. Fuck this shit.